Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go.
Here we have your basic 1518 Chevy Colorado LT wheel.
And what Coast to Coast International did was produce an Impostor wheel skin for this wheel. An Impostor wheel skin is an ABS automotive grade liner that fits over and into the specific wheel it was designed for. Brian, show us how it installs.
Start by removing your OEM center cap. Take your Impostor wheel skin. Make sure that you line up your valve stem hole. Push into place. Tighten your retention and then reinstall your OEM center cap.
As you can see, it instantly changes the finish of your wheel. If you by chance have any cosmetic damage, it can seal your cosmetic damage. If you're an automotive dealer, it does two things for you. It instantly upgrades the trim level package of the vehicle it's installed on, and two, it helps differentiate the inventory on your lot. The most important feature, compared to buying new wheels and tires, Impostor wheel skins are an incredibly affordable alternative. For more information,
visit us at coasttocoastinternational.com.